1912 opened with serious labor unrest in the United States when workers in the mills went on strike. France, which had been expanding its influence, officially made Morocco a province. 1912 was a year in which the naval race between the powers continued, while the Austrian-Hungarians once again had to contend with the increasing national desires of the various national groups in the empire. The two most important stories of the year were the sinking of the Titanic and the Balkan War. No maritime disaster in history has so captivated the minds of the world as the sinking of the White Star's unsinkable ship, the Titanic, on its maiden voyage after striking an iceberg. The Balkan War saw a uniting of the Serbs, Macedonians, Albanians, and Greeks in a war against the Ottomans. The Balkan states were successful in forcing the Ottomans to retreat. The Albanians were able to declare independence from the Ottomans, and by the end of the year, a ceasefire was agreed to. While all this was happening in Europe, the United States flexed its muscles in the Western Hemisphere. The U.S. sent troops to Nicaragua to maintain order. With a revolution taking place in Mexico, the U.S. prepared for a possible intervention. The U.S. also sent troops to protect the railroad. Former President Theodore Roosevelt failed to replace President Taft as the Republican candidate for president, so he formed a new party called the Bull Moose Party. Both Taft and Roosevelt lost to Democratic candidate Woodrow Wilson.